Configuring a OneDrive connector includes data from OneDrive. We begin from the Connectors tab. Then click Add to the right of the Locations window in the middle of the screen. When the dialog box appears, select the plus sign to the left of Live Locations. Then select Document Store. Now click Next. When the Source Type dialog box appears, select the drop-down box. Here, choose OneDrive. Then click Next. In the Document Store dialog box, give the location a name. You can also give it a description as well. Now, input the tenant ID. Next, you have the option of enabling dual login protection in order to ensure that access to the location in search will require the authorization of an additional person. Leave this unchecked. Distribute across all crawler nodes is enabled by default for better balancing of indexing workloads. The final option is User Group, which allows you to select a subset of account members from the configured AD group. Once you're all set, simply click the Test button to test all credentials. When the Success box pops up, click OK. Back at the dialog box, click Save. Then click Save again in the bottom left corner of the Connectors tab. Now it's time to set up user mapping. To do so, select the live OneDrive location we just created from the Locations window. Then click Edit. The dialog box will open back up. Here, select the User Mapping button. Now, select the checkbox for Use Automatic User Mapping. Then click Close. Once you're back at the dialog box, click Save. Then click Save one last time in the bottom left corner of the Connectors tab to save all configurations. This concludes the video for configuring a OneDrive connector.